Good everybody, today we have Dell Inspiron 15-3750 and we wanted to fan cleaning and disassembly. In order to do that, first of all remove the access panel for the hard drive and RAM. Remove the screw to remove the DVD player, and just pull out the clips to remove the battery. And the hard drive is secured by 2 screws. Remove the screws, pull the hard drive in, pull it out, and pull it out. This model is works both with DDR3L and DDR3. There are 2 kind of RAM module available, but if you use DDR3L, that's more safer, because a lot of time when you buy DDR3, not L version, it's something that won't work. Flip it up. The keyboard is secured by these small latches. Simply push it in and pry it out, just as in the video. There are about 4 or 5 latches. You simply, as you pushing the latches in, you pull out the keyboard slowly. Clip out and remove the room cable for the keyboard. Remove all the rest of the screws for the palm rest. Disconnect the cable for the switch and trackpad. Be very careful with these clips. You don't want to break it, because once you break it, it wouldn't be secured back in place, and it's a big pain. In order to remove that, get a bit of just sort of make that kind of motions where you push with your thumb and you pull toward yourself with the other fingers. Just remove all the screws. As soon as you do that, it's very easily removable. You can simply lift it up. Excuse me. That's your roaming cable for the USB. This is your Wi-Fi. They're color coded, so you don't worry about which cable goes where. Disconnect your speaker cable. There is about 1 screw for the motherboard. You remove that and disconnect the cable for the LCD. Be very careful you don't poke any capacitors or damage. Disconnect the cable for the DC jack. That's it, guys. This is all what's inside the laptop. You can clean the fan, replace the thermal paste, remove the CMOS battery, remove USB, DC jack, speakers, screen assembly, all of that. Alright guys, have a good day, and if you have any questions, shoot it down in the comment sections below. Other than that, have a good day and be safe, mate. Cheese.